Hello again. So today we've got 3 gondola wagons, and these are another commissioned weathering job. In this video I'll take you through what I did to each of these 3 wagons, which are quite different. This model here is of a much older gondola than all the rest. It's obviously made of wood and it's from the Norfolk and Western Railroad. I'm not sure who made this model. It doesn't have any maker's mark on it and it is quite light, but it does have some really nice features like little bits of extra pieces that have been added on at the end and this pipework, things like that. And it looks like it has real springs in the bogies there as well. So if you know who made this, let me know in the comments below. I'd really love to know. It's quite a cool little model. The weathering on this is going to be just a lot of kind of basic weathering, maybe a lot of rust on these cross beams. But of course there won't be any graffiti on this because this comes from the steam era, I believe. This one in the blue, the Rock livery, also doesn't have any markers make on it, but I think it's probably Bachmann. It might be, I'm not quite sure. And you can see that somebody else has already had a go at weathering this model. And I checked with the owner of this model and asked, did they want this stripped off before I got started? And they said, no, just weather over the top of it. So this one is going to be the heaviest weathering job of all the 3 I'm going to be doing today. And it's probably going to get some graffiti as well. And this one in the Erie Railroad livery is exactly the same model as the Rock one, but it's obviously not been painted at all. A bit rusty underneath though, so it is quite an old model, and I'm not quite sure what to do with this one at the moment. It's probably just going to get a basic weathering and maybe some graffiti tags. We'll see how we go with it. So the owner of these wagons sent a couple of images of gondola wagons to kind of use as inspiration for how to weather these. That's really handy. I love when that happens. So I guess the first thing we need to do here is get the cutting mat down and then get all the bogies and stuff stripped off these gondolas and get started. If you'd like your wagons weathered as well, it is a service I offer. Just get in touch. You'll find contact details on YouTube and elsewhere. And for the rest of this video, I'll be putting on some music just to keep you entertained as we go. And if you have any questions about how I weathered these or the paints I used or how I used them, just let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. So enjoy the music and also enjoy this video of me weathering these 3 wagons.